Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about the bathroom. More importantly, in the bathroom, what supplies you have in there. So what I'm thinking about on this one here is something that a lot of people, when I talk to them and stuff, they kind of gloss over all the little knickknacks, if you will, of the bathroom. The Q-tips, fingernail clippers, emery boards, all the little things in there that people don't think about that they need. It's not on the big list of stuff they need to think about. So what you need to do, take your little brain book. You remember from the first one of these episodes, the notepad. Take your brain book, go into the bathroom and writing down stuff that you have in there, and then compare it against your regular prepping list. See what things you've let slip through the cracks. That way you can actually have a list of, okay, this is the bathroom stuff we need to start building up on. So you can actually go out, get those supplies, so you're not, oh crud, we're out of Q-tips. How am I going to get the wax out of my ears? Or whatever it is that you run short of. All right. So I know this is going to be kind of a short one here, but go inventory your bathroom. All right. And I'll see you in the next video. But first, remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep on adding to your preps. And this is why.